Welcome to another unboxing. So this is the new NUC 12 Pro Wall Street. So I purchased it today and seems to be, yes. So this is how the packaging looks. So NUC 12 Pro mini PC kit, and this has the 12th gen i5. These are the ports layout, and need to provide your memory, your M.2 SATA, M.2 NVMe or SATA drive, and or 2.5 inch SATA SSD. So as you can see, I'm exposing the MAC address also, so not a problem. So as you can see, this is the latest import, 12th May 2023. The retail price is exorbitant. It states something to the tunes of 70,000, but that's not the case. Just in case you're buying, you check with your local retailers first. So let's open it up. Yay. This is the unit. Let's keep it to the side. Some regulatory model, some quick start guide sort of thing. Required hardware. Nothing of importance, just the usual regulatory paperwork, and this is collateral guide. Wow. Before connecting the power supply. Nothing much. Safety instructions, caution. Just a placeholder. VESA mount. Currently nothing else is there. Oh yes, there's this baggie. Let's keep this aside. Yeah, so this is one small bag of screws, and there is one Kensington lock mount. I don't know what is this used for. Maybe I'll refer the manual. And then we have this power supply brick and this Core i5 logo is there. Yeah. So this is from Shikoni, and it is rated at 120 watts, 20 volt, 6 ampere. Alright, and now on to the main unit. Star of the show, NUC. So this is alright. My 11th gen NUC was a different series. It was not this one. So it had this SD card reader on one side, and plus it had one IR blaster also. So probably I can repurpose that as a media center PC, and this will be doing the upsampling duty on my HQ player. Let's see if it is able to do DSD 5112 or not. So this is the unit, guys. So thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Take care and stay safe.